Hi everyone, it's Joy here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see what we have today. Oh, this is so beautiful. Princess Aquarius. This is my first doll in the series Zodiac Princess through our whole year 2021. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channels or website to get update about the series, along with the Zodiac Smiles, Aquarius doll, also the perfect gift for people who was born in January and February. You can get the premium PDF pattern on my shop now, or I get a special offer for you by joining my Crochet Heart membership program. You will get on 24 Zodiac pattern with half the price and never worry about pay to any pattern. All the links in the description. If you like my videos, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell to get updated.